Vineyard Christian Ministries Incorporated presents Kingdom Celebration 2012 with a theme, All Things Are Ready. Ministering Dr. Felix Omobode, Archbishop Joseph Alexander, Reverend Dr. Dean Brown, Apostle Lawrence Achidume, Bishop A.O. Inyang, Bishop Bob Agwebo. Your host and chief speaker is Bishop John and Reverend Mrs. Eniton Sauni. Date Monday 20th to Sunday 26th August 2012. Time morning session 10 a.m. Tuesday to Friday. Evening session 5:30 p.m. daily. Music night 4 p.m. on Saturday and Thanksgiving service at 8:30 a.m. on Sunday. Venue is the Vineyard International Headquarters, 34-36 Soloway off Murtala Mohammed International Airport Road at Jawa Estate, Isolo, Lagos. For inquiries, please call 017747 08023067170 or 002-090-9454 or visit our website at www.vineyardchristianministries.net. There shall be free transportation from venue to different locations. All things are ready. Come and be blessed. Jesus is Lord.